Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a brand new way to find profitable Solana wallets with this brand new tool called TradeWiz AI. Now if you've never heard of TradeWiz before, it is a really great Telegram bot that offers different sniping features and a really fast copy trading system. So I'm going to show you how to find wallets using this piece of software right now, the brand new AI version that they've just got out. Now you can use TradeWiz AI to actually trade all these meme coins. You can go to this trenches section right here, and it's just like any other meme scope or any other meme dex on any exchange. So you've got that option as well. You can fund Solana to your wallet and you can start trading with this tool if you'd like to. But what I really want to go through in this video is this smart money section right here, because it's just got a great way of showing you all of these wallets that are profitable and just shows you everything in a really nice format. So I'm going to basically go through what I've been testing to find these brand new wallets on this piece of software. So once you go to Smart Money, what I've been doing is either doing a 14-day or 30-day, and then I'm just going by the 14-day profit. So if you click this little icon here, then you will see the ones with the most profit in the 14 days button right here, this little filter icon as well, so you can add additional filters onto whatever filter you're actually using. So I put the minimum win rate to be 90%. Now you can mess around with some other features as well if you would like to. So you can, if you like people that are frequently trading and that you want to get into tokens pretty much every single day, but also you want to make sure that they've got a great win rate and they're still profitable, then you can click this little icon as well, and then you can probably set it to something like 100 just to find the ones that are trading constantly at the top. So then we've got quite a few to go through. So now you can see with this person right here, if you go over to the average buy section, you can see that their average buy is around $400, $300, which is good. You want to be finding these people that are high in profit, that are making a lot of profit, that have got a high win rate as well, but also they've got a low average buy-in. Now this isn't the be-all or end-all, but for this exact copy trading system, it works really well because you're trying to get the people who are buying in all the time. Now, when you're copy trading whale wallets that have an average buy-in of like $10,000, their level of profit is completely different to yours if you're going to be trading with, like, let's say 0.1 sol buy-in every time these people do a trade. So the reason why is because when these people are doing an 11k buy-in, whatever the price moves to, they're going to be making a lot more money than you would be. So if you're copy trading wallets that are doing these type of buy-ins that are quite high, and let's say they make 30% profit, 30% of $11,000 is around $3,000, just a bit higher. So their level of profit will be completely different to your 30% worth of profit. So that's all I'm trying to do with this strategy, finding the people that have got a low average buy-in, that are active as well. All you want to do as well, just to double check, because obviously I was just using that as an example, but we want to find people that have actually got a Solana balance, because a lot of these are just burner wallets that people are using, or they've found some sort of insider information and they use the wallet a couple times, make millions of dollars, and then they'll go onto a different wallet, which is not what you want when you're copy trading at all, to be honest, because you want to make sure that they're constantly using that wallet. So what we're trying to find is the people that have already got an existing Solana balance. Now this one right here has got 12.49, which isn't the best, to be honest. So what I'm actually looking at is this one down here who's got $224,000 worth of Solana balance inside their account. They've got a slightly higher average buy-in of 1,200, but 1,000 is pretty good. You want to just be avoiding the ones that are higher than 10,000. Now you can still copy trade that strategy and do it if you like, but I've just been finding that this could potentially work a lot better. So the average win rate is 90%. They've traded 265 tokens in the last 14 days, and they've made $160,000 profit, pretty much nearly 170,000. So then we can do extra analysis by clicking on the wallet, and then we can see the type of tokens that they've been getting into recently. So 10 hours ago, they made $8.3 thousand from this TikTok coin, and it was a 6x. So then what I'm doing here is I'm just scrolling through, seeing how many losses they have, and seeing the profit that they have as well, and how much is the average profit, because some of these are 2.5%, which isn't great, but then you see others that are like a 9x. You've got a couple couple pretty much good multipliers down here, and they're trading quite recently. So all of these are in the past couple days. They've made 1,000% on this one. So this would be a good wallet to copy trade. So all you would do is you can go up to this section right here and then favorite it if you like, and you can add it to a wallet group. So if you create a new wallet group, and then let's just say new wallet tracker, and then submit. So in order to go to this wallet watch list where you can find all the people that you want to track, then just go over to this section, the top right, once you've logged in through Telegram, and then go to my watch list, and then it will pop up with a token watch list at first, and then you just go to wallet watch list, and then you can see all the wallets right here. So in the past 24 hours, he's made $1,000 with 23% profit. But to be fair, it was quite a slow day yesterday on the meme coin front. Only a couple meme coins really popped off to a good level. And then the 7-day profit and loss, he's made $58,000, which is really great. So when you're finding these wallets, you've just got to double check the recent profit and loss and scroll through just to see if they've got any losses. And if they've not got too many losses that are not too major like this one, then you should be good to go and just to try copy trading this with this method, because I've got like a stop loss method with this one. Now they're taking a rare loss every now and again within a couple of days, but that is good. I mean, you want to be finding the ones where it's mostly green in this activity section right here, and you can just scroll through for the past week or past month or so, just to make sure that they're actively trading as well. So with some of these wallets, when you go through them, you just want to double check and make sure that they have been trading a lot of meme coins, just to make sure that it's not a brand new fresh wallet. And obviously you just want to double check and make sure that they're not losing too much money as well, and that they're gaining more than they have losses. And this one looks decent as well, so this could be also worth tracking. And then you can do the same for the 30 days. I've kept the same type of filters on, so whenever you click 30 days, 7 days, it will show you the same exact filters that you had on for the previous days. And then we'll look at the 30 days and see who's got the most profit from all of them. We've got this one down here, which is decent. They've got a 12 Solana wallet balance, which is all right. Keep in mind that they could be siphoning money from the main wallet that they're trading with to different other wallets as well. So obviously they're in a lot of profit, and they'll just be transferring it to the main wallet, which makes sense. So we scroll through this one, you can see that this one's really profitable, and this is just a really simple way to find all these trending wallets to either track or copy trade. You really don't need to overcomplicate it too much. You just need to make sure and double check that they are trading a lot of tokens, which is easily siphonable with this filtered option right here. And then you just want to make sure that they're obviously in a high win rate and that they're making a good profit from it as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Leave a like if you have, and subscribe for more trading content.